Hello. Hello all. Am I audible? Hi everyone. Friends, let me know, am I audible? Is it clear? My audio and video is clear. Yes. So, sharp 4. We'll wait for 4 minutes. People are joining. Hi, good morning. Good morning. Yes, so a warm welcome to everybody on this Sunday afternoon, a lovely cozy afternoon. We are again here on InstaTip. Okay, InstaTip sessions, a very innovative idea started by our very own, the magnificent Pallavi ma'am, Pallavi Chaturvedi ma'am. I give my sincere thanks and gratitude, ma'am, for giving me this platform to share my views. Yes, and thank you everyone. Every day we are learning from everyone out there, all HHFIN in this adrenaline rush. I don't want to miss any name actually. So everyone, all my HHF mentors, my friends, everyone, my admins, my all field members, I owe a lot to you. Thank you. And I am here to just share my few views over here, which I know. Okay, so let's start. Last week, as we have seen that Shilpa ma'am had taken a very beautiful rubric and depicted it very well. Okay, so 15 remedies were done, and the remaining 15 remedies we are gonna do it together today. Okay, I'll just try to put my understanding. So let's go with antique playing. Okay, just tell me if I'm not audible or something goes wrong. Just I'm getting all your views. So if there is any issue, just let me know in the chat box. Okay, so now let's understand a league ahead of antique. What is antique? As ma'am told, it's an antique, strange, foolish, silly behavior, and outrageous act. Okay, as we know. So the silly behavior, why a person will go to that silliness? There has to be something that these people have to behave these antique. ऐसा क्यों करना है हमको? Why only 30 remedies are put on this rubric? Okay, so this is an absolutely deliberately made act. डेलिबरेट इफेक्ट होता है पर्सन का, एक खुद से किया हुआ एक्ट है. ओके, इट इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी डेलिबरेटली, मोर प्रिसाइजली मोर स्टूपिड, विच मेक्स पीपल फील दैट what a foolish thing this guy is doing, what a strange activities this person has come up with. So it's an amusing behavior yet silly. Okay, and various other meanings in Hindi also they say, as it's a mazakia and atrangi. And in Marathi word I have come to know is makad cheshta. Okay, so this is antique playing. So why a person will do antique, and why we have to learn this remedies in it, and why this few remedies are here. So we will first try and understand the rubric through its why. Each remedy that has been placed here has its own why. Why such people had to believe and behave such way, why they carry on this adaptation of antique playing. So thanks to all lockdown, we have come with floods of learning on our way with our classes plus with our children ongoing online classes. So it gave us a lot of learning. So recently I've come across a video while teaching my son. There was a theory called as hamburger method. See, this found as very interesting, so I just thought to share with you people. So a hamburger method, or we say it's a burger method. So there's a burger, and as we have a burger as a package, you know, it has a bun, and then it has a center cheesy juicy material, and the base, okay, the base which binds it all. So there is a method, you can go on YouTube and search like that, what is method all about. They have given a very visual effect for this. So there's a upper bun, there's a middle layer, and then the juicy layer. So we can see our rubrics in this form. It is given for paragraph writing, for essay, and also I've just thought the literature in this way, metaphorically, like this is a how of rubric. I will consider antiques as a how rubric, that how patient is behaving. So this method says that it has a upper layer, that is a bun, upper bun, that is a face, the upper face of a burger, and then we have a middle juicy cheesy material which we can consider as a core of each remedy, like uske andar kya masala bhara hua hai, okay, the mal of that burger, and the lower base, the conclusion which binds it all, it is called as the concluding, which we take it as a totality. So we have to see each rubric or each remedy in this form, in this method, the how, what is the face of that patient, of that remedy, how it comes to us. Then we have to see, we cannot miss that cheesy things, okay, or it will just be left with fluffy buns, and the concluding material. So foodie people can just remember like this. You can go on YouTube and just check out. I've just given an idea, so for the newcomers, so we can just have a vision that how we have to look out for a rubric. We cannot just prescribe on how, we cannot just prescribe on why. We have to take it as all as a totality, what goes in totality. Okay, so now we will switch on to the rubric again, antique. So while searching out, ma'am had already told you a lot about antique, so I will just share few things which you can relate to, that what is antique. So everybody might be remembering one TV show that used to come called as Just for Laugh Gags or Just for Laugh, where a candid camera was set somewhere and people were done pranks, and they were given various things, or they've been fooled by a person, okay, and then later it was being told that this is a silly prank done on you. So this is a kind of an antique. So antique is always done either to attract the attention or to distract from something else. It's an absurd act, okay, it's a grotesque, like something which happens, like antique to wo bande ke liye hai jo khel raha hai, but IPR might get annoyed with this act. The person is left with just a laughable audience, but it is a strange thing that is done to that person. Okay, so now let's with this example we will try to understand the various remedies that has been left for antique. Okay, so the remedy which goes first for this silly, foolish, laughable people. Okay, I have one more thing. We have always heard of RJs, the radio bakras, the bakra show, the prank calls. Okay, the prank calls, the जो बकरा बनाता है ना, वो antique playing में आएगा. Okay, कि इसकी तो तुमने बजा डाली. Very frankly, sorry to use these words, but the person in antique has various purposes. Okay, it is, they have various wonderful things. Something is sticking on in their mind, and that is their adaptation, and we will see how these remedies adapt themselves. Okay, so let's go on with our very favorite first remedy, that is stramonium. So how will stramonium adapt themselves as an antique. So stramonium, as we all know, it's a very fearful remedy. Okay, it's a remedy which is there in darkness aggravation. Okay, and always seeking light. So what is this light for? So we have to now relate the how of rubric with why of rubric. Okay, so there is a peculiar characteristics of stramonium that it has a fear of unknowns. मतलब जब तक उसके लिए चीज unknown रहेगा, he will be playing very safe. There is a rubric affectation which justifies stramonium. Darkness aggravation, light desire for, and fear of unknown. Once things are clear, he will go antique. पहले बार जब patient आता है clinic में, he will be fearful, clinging. But once it is done, now he will be very happy with the doctor. He will say, मुझे वो मीठी गोली वाले डॉक्टर के पास ही जाना है. Why? Because other doctor will give him injury. And वहाँ पर जाकर भी he will be very playful and do things. So till there is fear of unknown things, stramonium will cling, stramonium will desire light. But once this is open, he will come out of affectation and go antique. Okay. Now the next remedy in the row will be Veratrum. So Veratrum album. How do we know Virat? So as before coming to HHF, I was never knowing about such clear feel of Virat as we see each remedy with the feel. So trying to relate this as an insta tip, friends. You know, this is just an instant thing which we should know. We should the rubric understanding should be so clear that we can get entry to any patient via this rubrics. Okay, so I had just made a pack of few things, few rubrics, how, when and why, and we can just catch the patient. So the other remedies come on the way is Veratrum. How will Veratrum react? So we've been very much known Veratrum for its dirty acts, for its the center of Virat we always know had gone sexual. Okay, so Veratrum, as we know, it's a delusion wealth. He is a boaster. He thinks he is a prince. So how this prince will go into antiques? So as dirty tricks he can play, he will do that. बिकॉज दूसरों का कुछ भी हो जाए, उसको खुद के मजे से है ना, मैं प्रिंस हूँ, मैं कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ. यू नो वाई द इट इज कॉल्ड एज प्रिंस. So there is a rubric which I try to associate it with Virat is destruction of clothes cuts them off. This single core remedy rubrics give a lot of weightage to the remedy, and through this we can be very sure. So how we have to take it metaphorically and how we need to understand the rubric. So a few example I would like to relate for these remedies. Okay, like what a Virat will do. See, if it's a classroom and all boys and girls are sitting and a pranky boy, the antique is actually the prank. So the pranky boy is sitting behind the girl. A girl is sitting in the front and he is sitting behind, and what he will do as a prank, like he will try and cut with scissor the shirt of the girl, and the day long she'll be freaking with such thing, and he'll be happy looking at this prank. The girl will feel very absurd and grotesque that what this person has done to me, but he is very happy in taking this lewd. The rubric is talking lewd. Okay, LEWD. कि इतना गंदा, इतना भद्दा मजाक कौन कर सकता है यार. So this is Virat. And when teachers and principal will call him to punish, he will just behave as if he has done nothing. I mean, there is a rubric, very beautiful rubric, again the single remedy rubric, that is pretending blindness and pretending deafness. So Virat will behave as if, see, I have done nothing, I don't know who has done, but he has that antique, he had already played that prank. Okay, that he had played that prank and he's happy about it. So this is how Virat goes into antique playing. Now the another remedy which comes on our way is a sacrum. Okay, now how sacrum behaves. Sacrum, as we all know, the remedy sacrum goes a step again further to pulsatilla. ठीक है, हम लोगों को हमेशा एक जिस्ट ऐसे मिलता है कि पल्स नहीं लग रहा है तो सैक्रम देके देख लो. सो हाउ दिस गोज एंटीक, वी हैव टू कैच एंटीक इन ईच ऑफ दीज, द absurd, the silly, the funny, foolish, the eye-catching thing of each remedy. So how a sacrum will behave absurd or silly or strange. So all the ailments of sacrum starts from ailments or after, like its ailment starts from adoption. He thinks that he is adopted child. हमेशा उसके मन में एक ही बात चलता रहता है, adopted means the one who has a lesser attention, to whom you do not owe, you have just adopted him. Okay, so that is why, and he is very much attached to mother and he clings to mother. So what will be the antique of sacrum? You will find that the child will just go in a room, he will sit in the corner and he will try to get the attention of parents or the family members. Yes, ailments from being neglected. Okay, so he will just sit in the corner and will try to catch the attention of mother, and then mama comes and asks that what happened child, why are you sitting like this? I said, no amma, nothing, I don't know, I'm not feeling good. तो मम्मी पूछेगी क्या हुआ बेटा, क्या हुआ? कुछ नहीं, आप तो भैया से ही ज्यादा प्यार करते हो, मुझे तो कोई प्यार ही नहीं करता. So we'll talk in this, the more of a pulsatilla added. You know, it is said that pulsatilla absorbs the love and affection and sacrum swallows it. मतलब उसको लगता ही नहीं है कितना भी प्यार करो. It is more than a bottomless pit. So sacrum will behave this, and all this is because he wants cuddles. He desires cuddles कि mama comes, mama kiss, और वो priority हो उसकी. And this is how sacrum will go into antique. Right, now let's move on to next remedy. I think I'm pretty clear with everyone. If there is any doubt, do put in the chat box. Now comes the aggressive and भारी वाला बच्चा, that is cuprum. The cuprum antique. अब cuprum कैसे antique करेगा? Being a metal. Okay, how he will go antique? So we need to relate with the most common replicable examples we have for the remedy, because they are the adaptation which are proved. So we know he's very dictatorial, talking with the air of command, and he is a commander. As we know the cuprum. How is cuprum? He is a commander. मतलब मेरा बोला हुआ ही होना चाहिए, मैं जैसा बोलूँगा वैसा ही करना. So how does he get into this adaptation? He gets this adaptation because he is having ailments from punishment. So what these people adapt? See, there are various adaptation. There is some situation. See, as KY sir always says that there must be some triggering factor. ट्रिगरिंग फैक्टर में बंदे ने कैसे अपने आप को अडेप्ट किया, वी हैव टू कैच इट देयर. ओके, सो हाउ दिस पर्सन हैज अडेप्टेड देमसेल्फ, कि अगर मैंने नहीं बोला, मैं डिक्टेटोरियल नहीं रहा, तो दीज पीपल विल पनिश मी. हेंस ही हैज दिस एलिमेंट्स फ्रॉम पनिशमेंट. कहाँ से एलिमेंट्स फ्रॉम पनिशमेंट आते हैं और ये क्यों इतना डिक्टेटोरियल हो जाता है? सो व्हाट विल बी द एंटीक्स? ओके, देयर इज अ ब्यूटिफुल रूब्रिक आई हैव गॉट फॉर दिस cuprum is buffoonery. Okay, see, we have we have the cases, we know this remedy has proved. Okay, we know that this remedy has done, but their repertory gives us the rubric which supports this whole mechanism, which supports to find the replicability with a strong proof. So we have, yes, bada moti search karo. So buffoonery is the rubric for cuprum, like a foolish behavior, dictatorial होकर, इतना obstinate होकर, commander होकर, how cuprum will go antique. So a person with going into a mall, a child is going into a mall with parents, and he wants the best dress, the ongoing dress, the Batman dress. Okay, and mama papa said ki no, we have already bought this. So he will just roll on floor. We have a rubric. Okay, he will try and such acts would embarrass the parents. He is very irritable, the malicious child. We know he will bite mom and इतना जिद्दी होगा कि ऐसा लगेगा यार ये बच्चा मेरा नहीं है. This is how Cuprum attracts the attention, being a commander, being a chief, he holds, that is a dictatorial, and how he goes antique. Okay. So next remedy we move on to is Lycopodium. Everyone is very much master in picking up this remedies and prescribing. So Lycopodium is very clear. Antique is seen in its flattering. We have a rubric flattering and we have a rubric flattering seducing in children. Okay, तो कैसा करेगा Lycopodium? How he will flatter? We have to see, as Lycopodium as an ambition increased every possible means. अपना ambition पूरा करने के लिए बंदा कहीं तक भी जाएगा. ठीक है, he will go anywhere. So let's take it an example how a person can go antique. How Lycopodium can flatter, what he has to do. Okay, so Lycopodium goes into a office and he has a meeting with boss, and if he gets a receptionist outside and there is a long waiting line, okay, so how he will do? He will try and flatter that receptionist. Oh ma'am, you're looking very beautiful today. Actually pink suits you a lot. Last time ही मैंने देखा था आपको. So ये ऐसा flattering antique, आजू बाजू वाले लोग बोलेंगे भाई ये तू क्या कर रहे है. तो this is flattering of Lycopodium, through which he enters and he just does his all ambition he perceives. Okay, so also Lyco is also in the rubric mocking sarcasm. Sarcastic comment एक contemptuous convey करने वाला comment है, which is very cruel. So I had just clubbed mocking sarcasm and antiques playing and flattering. So we have a handful of remedies like Carboveg, Lachesis, Nux vomica and Lycopodium. Okay, so what is mocking sarcasm? So a sarcastic comment which is given mockingly. These are the antiques of these various remedies. Okay, so making fun in a very cruel way in giving a sarcastic comment. So let's move to Mr. Perfectionist Nux vomica. How Nux vomica will create an antique? How he will create an antique? The person who is very perfection, he is in all ambitions, all ambitions. He is in fame, he is in money, he is in every possible means. He is in फिशिंग. ओके, तो ये बंदे को क्या जरूरत पड़ गई ना एंटीक करने की. मिस्टर परफेक्शनिस्ट है, ही इज अ हैंडी मैन. सो वंस उसको जहां पर उसका स्टैंडर्ड नीचे गिर रहा है या उसका एम्बिशन है वो कहीं ना कहीं कंपटीशन पे आ गया है, ही हैड गॉट अ कॉम्पिटिटर इन द मार्केट, सो ही विल ट्राई डूइंग एंटीक. Okay, we know that wine, women and worry. Or there are two facets I could think about Nux vomica. Okay, so एक तो unveiling करते समय he will do an antique, and one is while at his work. So somebody has come up to him, so वो समझा देगा उसको कि see I am the best, I have this standard. उसमें ये standard का कीड़ा है, he cannot let that standard off. Okay, so I'll try and portray one example. The perfectionist Nux vomica कैसे अपने आप को can prove antique. So if one patient enters a clinic, a chamber of a clinic, okay, doctor is sitting there, he will just come in and he will say, sir, I want to measure my BP, and he will call the nurse. The nurse comes, he'll just put the cuff up and he will try and measuring. So as he is in social position concern and also the high reverence thing of Nux, he will very mildly and in a very mocking way he will say, ma'am, I have read somewhere that this cuff has to be tied on the left hand 2.3 centimeters above the elbow. Now this is the situation. A nurse who's taking BP day and night, gone under this sarcastic comment of Nux, and here is the antique of Nux. आजू बाजू वाले लोग जितने भी है ना वो भाग जाएंगे, वो बोलेंगे मैम हम कल आएंगे बीपी चेक करने. So this way where it comes to his perfection, he is handyman, he knows everything. Okay, so here comes the antique of Nux. Okay, now so antiques plus smoking, we get these few remedies. Now one more remedy which was very to my surprise was in rubric antiques, and that is Nux that is Ignatia. Okay, now we have to think why Ignatia is doing antiques. The very moralistic, the very anxiety conscience Ignatia has to do antiques for what? So we will try and connect it with the core again. Like Ignatia, the core rubric, as we know, is delusion married. She is delusion married and cannot break the vow. Okay, तो ऐसा जुड़ा हुआ है बंदा, इसको एंटीक करने का क्या जरूरत है ना, you know. Then there is dancing amelioration also. So here comes a stake when her values are not count, when her identity is at stake. Fear invalidity we see of Ignatia. तो क्या होता है ना, while dancing she might feel that her value is not seen. I am just a bahu, where I am gone. Okay, where I have been lost in this house. So we have known a very famous example of Ignatia कि अगर there is a meeting going on, I'll try to put things into an example. If there is a meeting going on and at the house या कुछ important discussion हो रहा है या सब लोग खाने के टेबल पर बैठे हैं and Ignatia is in kitchen, she is trying to like serve everybody the food and everything. So if Ignatia is not called on the table, she will feel, that will come to her stake. She'll feel neglected. Okay, so her behavior goes antique, that she starts behaving very awkward. उसको बुलाया भी जाएगा लास्ट में तो वो बोलेगी कि that is her problem, that she go invalid, where she goes invalid, मुझे क्यों नहीं बुलाया, why I have been not counted, and in this invalidity she keeps doing thing and her negative imbecility will go into the antique and Ignatia will go awkward. She will behave very awkward and she'll try and play pranks like I did not hear or I went to the washroom. One of the example of Ignatia I could share with you all is she wants कि मेरा वजूद बना रहे, मेरी value बनी रहे. Okay, so Ignatia has a very vivacious and a bubbly atmosphere at home. Daily Ignatia का rule है that she'll put a towel when husband is in washroom. जब वो नहाने गया है, always he forgets. Okay, तो मुझे रखना है. But what? Like, am I here just to give you towel? One day she plays a prank and she does not put a towel in near the washroom when the husband is gone. Okay, now she will laugh and she will jest. Ignatia is in jesting, the highest mark in jesting. She will play that atkaliya. Okay, husband will feel इसको क्या हो गया, ये रोज तो रख देती है, what has happened, and now she is laughing and jesting in the kitchen that let it be, let take him my value कि यार मैं सिर्फ टॉल रखने के लिए नहीं है इधर. Okay, here she goes awkward and plays antique, which is a strange absurd act for IPR. Fine, now let's go to the next remedy. There are very rare remedies also that had been put in antiques playing. We'll try and explore such remedies. Okay, so lac delphinum is another rubric which is another remedy which is an antique. So what is lac delphin? It's a dolphin. It's a dolphin. I'm getting all comments. Thank you. I hope I am audible. Actually we cannot hear, so I think its communication is fine. Okay, so dolphins are very cute. They're always found in company and they are very caring and they're very affectionate and there is kisses, cares, desire for But these remedies, why they will do antique? Again the question. Okay, why these dolphins has to go? So dolphins have been used as a part of entertainment. Like we see in various abroad, like Singapore and all, dolphin shows and all goes on. Amusement, desire, playful, communicative. These are the rubrics I had found in Lac Delphina. So these will play antiques to being watched. मेरे पे नज़र रहनी चाहिए because they are in forsaken. Okay, मुझे नहीं अकेला रहना है. Company desire for. Watched constantly wants to be. She wants to get watched. Okay. मेरे पे नज़र होनी चाहिए. So that's why they go for amusement, playful and antique. Few on, like we may get DD to antique playing as amusement and playful and takes various gestures. We will come up with these remedies doing DD with rubric antique playing. Okay, so this was about Lac Del. Okay, now comes the next remedy, again the rare one, that is cicuta. I have learned cicuta from April seminar by Shrutika ma'am. She had shown us a very nice case of cicuta. So how this cicuta will behave antique? Why does cicuta go into antique playing? So we say that cicuta always has a childish behavior. He is a child. He will behave a child. And why he will behave a child? The cicuta adaptation is awesome. I could tell you friends that he has ailments from head injury. In child perhaps हमारी चीज़ें नहीं मानी जाती है. So cicuta develops that he goes contempt to these things and just withdraws himself from the society. Okay, it is said that they contempt the present system of a mankind and humanity. So this adaptation of being a childish with egotism, overestimation of himself, is a single remedy rubric. Okay, single remedy rubric of cicuta. So how this person who has an ego, who has a childish behavior and who will contempt the present system of humanity will go into antiques. So I have got a very awesome correlation for cicuta is Mr. Bean. I am sure everyone had watched Mr. Bean episodes. The very mature 35-40 year of man and behaving just as a child. Okay, but behind this childish behavior they have a motto. Okay, they want to just put something that contempts the social religious behavior of the society. Okay, so Mr. Bean will do some acts. You all know he will just put something on his nose, or he will dress up very weird and he will sit in public. He will take his he will form a bed in the auditorium. It is just like that. I am a child but I want to contempt this present situation. Okay, this is about cicuta. It is called as, yes, it is contemptuous and it is called as foolish plat. So in waiting room, if cicuta is there, he will play antique which will feel absurd to various other waiting patients. And जो compounder रहेगा वो बोलेगा यार ये हमेशा ही अजीब करता है. So we may mix it with anxiety and fear of cicuta, but this is a crazier adaptation of him. I mean, they will just withdraw themselves from the society and adapt this. There is a single rubric of cicuta called as dancing grotesque. Okay, he will behave very, very grotesque in his behavior. Jesting, ridicule. Okay, laughing, sardonic. These are the various antiques of cicuta I could get. Now moving to the next remedy is Carbo animalis. Okay, so Carbo animalis is one of remedy which is very close to me. So it was very easy to find antique of such remedy. So core of Carbo animalis is the nostalgia with homesickness. The carbo patient, it is born from, it is Carbo animalis is formed by half burnt charcoal. तो इसका कंबशन प्रोसेस पूरा नहीं हुआ है, तो दिस पर्सन इज नॉट अडेप्टिंग द स्टेज ही इज इन. ओके, तो the main rubric for carbo animals is nostalgia with homesickness, and adding to it, the nostalgia is with isolation with tears. So the remedy is in change aversion, and he is very weeping, he is very childish. Weeping while eating is the single remedy rubric. तो ये बंदा कैसा होगा? He feels deserted. Again, I have learned I came to know the first time this remedy from our seminar at Sarang Rahalkar sir, and I had applied carbo in many of my cases. It's a beautiful remedy where you feel the calcarea carb, the carbonicum जो element है वो बहुत जगह दिखता है. Okay, so carbo animalist, how will be the antique of carbo animalist? So इसका प्रॉब्लम है that he is nostalgic and he dwells on happy past moment. पुरानी अच्छी बातों को ही याद करते रहता है, and he has change aversion too. Okay, so a person, this remedy is applied where recent changes, like a girl who is married recently, or a hostelite, or a soldier who's far away from the home, or a couple in a long distance relationship. Okay, so these people just feel deserted in the town. Okay, these people feel that they are alone and they want to go to their where they belong. They want to go to their cozy place because there is a change aversion too. So I will just say that how this carbo patient will behave antique, like he does not know, he is childish, will keep calling her mom, how to make this, how to make sandwiches, how to toast the bread. People around will feel, यार ये 25 साल की लड़की को bread toast करना नहीं आता है, and then she will start crying, mom, I want to come to you, I cannot stay, I feel so alone. So this is an antique of carbo animalist. The change aversion and the nostalgic will make him go to antique. Okay, now quickly we are coming to phosphorus. How will phosphorus behave in antique? The very affable, the diffusive phosphorus. क्यों antique करना है इसको? Okay, the vivacious, the lovable person with his all brotherhood sensation that he has. So phosphorus has its core, he has the core of business, talks of business, absorbed in business. Okay, this business remedy will play hands in gloves. Phosphorus आपकी कभी भी पकड़ में नहीं आएगा. He will never leave a fingerprint कि ये काम उसने किया है. This is a smartness of phosphorus. He diffuses, he does the act and he diffuses. Okay, so he will do antiques in delirium. There is a rubric. Okay, and phosphorus will do acts which are malicious. We have a rubric: malicious, desire to play dirty tricks on others, okay, or on their teachers. We have 3 remedies in synthesis, that is lachesis, phosphorus and zinc. So these are to the level of malicious. इतना dirty play करेगा बंदा that they cannot be catch, they diffuse, and his work is done. He had played an antique on him. So phosphorus का problem start होगा from love disappointed. He will go directly into maniacal delirium of love disappointed, and he will come up with such situation like phosphorus is sitting with all his yaar on table, all his भाई लोग on, चल भाई आज बैठते, आज Saturday night है, ठीक है, and he will do that act like idiocy. We have a rubric: idiocy, alcoholic drinks. मतलब टेबल पे बैठे हो, आपने कुछ भी बोल दिया, दूसरे दिन सुबह बंदा क्या बोलने वाला है ना आपको, अरे भाई छोड़, वो पिया हुआ था, उसको नहीं समझा उसने कल क्या बोला. सो दिस इज hypocrisy of phosphorus, and here we can catch antique. Fine. Now there is another rare remedy, that is helianthus. It is called as helia, which is prepared from sunflower. We are not leaving any of the remedies, at least we are putting up something we know, so we should go a step ahead and get a research done. Yes, सांप भी मर जाए, लाठी भी ना टूटे is phosphorus. Very very right, Shilpa ma'am. So helianthus, I am coming back to helianthus. It's a remedy prepared from sunflower. Okay, so but we have a very rare rubric known of this remedy. We will push ahead and prescribe or just find some provings and cases so we can learn this remedy. So few rubrics which I got. This remedy is also in antiques playing in children, antiques playing in delirium. So antique is a very precise and specific and queer adaptation of Helias. Okay, so they are the people with mental insecurity. Helias is the remedy prepared from sunflower, has a great mental insecurity and always feel that they are not appreciated. So if we club and if we see, we get the remedies like arsenic or pulsatilla. So we can now think and get more material for this remedy, that is Helias. Okay, now next remedy that comes similarly very less explored is Lettuce virosa, the wild lettuce. Okay, the wild lettuce. How we will find? Again, they are in rubrics of antiques and a very rare remedy which has a cheerful, gay, hysteric things at night. Okay, this remedy will play, they are very playful when there is a night time. So hysteria while night, रात को कुछ ऐसी चीज करते हैं ये लोग that they will get cheerful. They have various imagination. I had tried to relate some single remedy rubrics of this, and this person can suddenly go active at night. So we can think of these such remedies. Now last two remedies are left. I think I am palpable and not going very fast. Okay, so Apis is there in antique, and we know that the very affable and Apis, the very lively, the mirth. The common rubrics we know of Apis is there is mirth with hilarity. Okay, the wretchedness which Apis has, she tries to cover up with this hilarity, with this mirth, with this affectionate, with this care. Okay, the outrageous sweet talks. So outrageous, antique we can say it goes outrage, मतलब अति हो गया यार, तो इतना मीठा कैसे हो सकता है? We get a doubt on it. Okay, कि ये इतना अच्छे से कैसे बात कर रही है? There has to be something. So now we try to relate the why. इसके पीछे क्या है? Why she is behaving this? So her hilarity and mirth is to mask her wretchedness. Okay, jealousy, the jealousy in women, the very much remedy is prescribed when there is jealousy in women. In women there are two different rubrics. In women मतलब इसको jealousy है and she keeps a check, and for this check the adaptation is affable, the very friendly one. So this is outrageous act कि अभी neighbor से क्यों जाने का ना बात करने इतना, come on, I will come, I will help to shift your house. और a co-sis will say okay you go for your work, मैं संभाल लूंगी यहाँ पर पीछे से जाकर चेक करेगी इसके wardrobe में कितनी dresses है, what she is wearing, why she is doing this. So this is the why of affability. So we need to check these antiques की antique ये बंदा क्यों कर रहा है, why he is being so affable. So this is how Apis goes, and she has this ambition increased competitive also. ठीक है. So now the last remedy which I need to discuss is AMN. Okay, why AMN or a mur natrum? Okay, the three element. Why this person will go into antique? Yes, Apis has borrowing troubles. Borrow अपने सर पे पूरा काम ले लिया. Yes, borrowing trouble is also Apis. So now coming back to AMN. Okay. Ailments from responsibility unusual. ऐसी कोई responsibility ले लेता है जिससे he gets up ailments. Okay, ailments आ जाते हैं बंदे को. So what is responsibility unusual? Now we need to know about this. Very quickly I'll put up. These are very long remedies and we are putting these in relation to antique playing only. We have to try and explore the whole remedy along with the cases. Okay, so The main rubric which lies with antique of AMN is temerity to get a kick and audacity to get a kick. Such foolish, outrageous risks a person takes. Okay, a person takes that he will get a kick. What is kick now? So I have got a beautiful correlation. Everybody must have watched Salman Khan's movie Kick. We see, as we know, we get everything from surrounding us, and this Bollywood is and Netflix is full of masalas of our remedies. So don't miss to watch these movies. So there is a character of Salman that is a devil, and though he is doing a very good cause, he is doing robberies, he is ludifying banks for helping the poor, for the orphan child or something like that. Okay, so how you will get a kick? So कुछ dialogues है that you will understand कि what is kick. The kick start, the two-wheeler starts with a kick. मतलब आगे चलने के लिए इसको लाइफ में वो किक चाहिए है. ठीक है, तो he gets, I will try and make you understand what is kick. So how he gets a kick कि ये you go on YouTube and just type this the kick movie जो भी सलमान का है devil वाला, and he will say कि हथकड़ी पहनाओ यार, बिना उसके किक नहीं आती. And when he is in jail, he will talk in 9 different languages and he knows everything, and he says हिंदी बोलने में किक नहीं आता है. So this is attracting the attention of the people for his own acts. Okay, and the temerity, the IPR will say कि यार तू अपने जान का छोड़, हमारी भी जान, तू ऐसे जो acts कर रहा है, it is on us also. Stop doing such temerity things. So how we will pick it in a patient? So I will narrate a small case. There was a lady came to me who was more than 65. I think she was 68 or something plus. And one fine morning, what happened? Her daughter staying beside her, she ran away, keeping behind 3 children, one 15, 13 and 8 years. 3 sons she left, and she just disappeared. Now this 68-year lady took all the responsibility and she started working. And what she used to work, she used to walk 5 kilometers, come back, do massages in the house, wash utensils, and took responsibility of this child. So IPR will say यार तुमको क्या जरूरत है ये सब करने का ना, तो she will say no, and the responsibility has come unusual. Then we have to DD with unusual, strong, and taking too seriously. So in series we can, for more learnings, we can just explore the remedies, the rubrics, and associated characters of remedy in the rubric. Okay, that is how AMN works. There is a willingness to take the bold risk. मैं करेगा, मुझे ऐसे ही मजा आता है. Why I will put my children there? So this is kind of antiques, and I had tried to put soon as I can, and completing this 15. Yes, the Helianthus and the other Lactuca, the 2 remedy are less explored. We will try and put it up with more rubrics. So this is all for today. Thank you, a big thank you to everyone for being here, listening me. Thanks so much everyone. Pallavi ma'am, Pallavi Chaturvedi, Pallavi Gijre ma'am, PC, Mithun sir, Shilpa ma'am, all HHFIN, and a big thank you to my mentor, to my guru. I owe a lot to him. Stay tuned, get your own cake, tune into Instagram. Bye, like, share and prescribe. Thank you.